In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Shopify store settings, specifically focusing on canceling your current plan should you feel the need to do so. This can be a valuable skill if you're evaluating different platforms or simply wanting greater control over your current subscriptions. Shopify makes managing your account straightforward, but knowing where to click and what each step entails is crucial for a smooth process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Shopify homepage and logging into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you'll see the familiar layout of the Shopify admin panel that gives you control over every aspect of your store. This is where most of your management will happen. Next, take a look around until you spot the Settings option. This is typically located towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open a menu that provides you with multiple options for customizing and managing different facets of your Shopify experience. This part of the dashboard lets you tweak settings related to your store profile, locations, billing, and most importantly for us today, your plan. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Plan. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage everything related to your subscription. Here, you can view details about your current plan, compare it with other plans that Shopify offers, and determine what best fits your business needs moving forward. When you click on Plan, you'll be presented with plan details and management options. If you're deciding that you'd like to cancel your current plan, look for the Cancel Plan button. Shopify places this option prominently, but it's best to approach this step with patience to ensure you understand any consequences involved. Canceling a plan means your store will be paused or closed, and you should be mindful of any unsaved changes or pending activities. Before you finalize your decision to cancel, consider having a backup or exporting any essential data from your Shopify store. Once you're ready, clicking the Cancel Plan button will initiate the cancellation process. Shopify usually provides some prompts or surveys to understand your reasons for cancellation, asking for feedback to improve their services. Be candid and clear if asked to ensure your experience is recorded accurately. It's important to always double-check or seek clarification on policies regarding refunds, data retention, and how cancellations might affect your current store status. Shopify support is quite helpful, and you can reach out to them if you have any specific queries or issues during this process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your Shopify subscription plan. While changes like these are a fundamental aspect of running an online store, working through them with understanding and precision will ensure you maintain smooth operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on managing your online business effectively.